Hey guys! So welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for being here. My name is Alex and this is my part of the internet. So welcome. If you're one of the few people who remain subscribed to me during the time I was away, thank you so much. And if you're new here, then welcome. Pareho lang tayong bago. So welcome back to us both. Today's video is going to be a little bit different than the previous videos I've done. I want to give informative makeup videos from now on. I want to keep this video short and straight to the point as much as possible, and I want to tell you guys if a product is worth buying or not. So first of all, I'm going to tell you what I don't like about the product, and then secondly, what I like about the product. Moving forward, what is my conclusion about it, and if it's worth buying or not. So today's product of choice is going to be this one by Ellana Minerals. This is their Loose Mineral Foundation. I'm in the shade Hazelnut Latte. It's medium light with warm tones. It provides medium to complete coverage, and it's for combination to oily, prone skin. I bought this recently and I want to test it out myself, how we can make this work as a full coverage foundation. First thing, I'm gonna tell you what I don't like about this product. Let me go way back ha. When I was still in high school and college, Ellana Minerals was already existing. They had a stall, like a pop-up thing sa Mega Mall every weekend. Bumili na ako sa kanila before. I remember buying yung kulay green kasi it was for getting rid of redness, and at that time marami akong cystic pimples. First thing I don't like is the packaging. This packaging. Hello! Ngayon lang ako nakakita na nagbenta ng makeup tapos nilagay sa ganitong lalagyan. Don't get me wrong, I'm not angry at Ellana, pero if you're going to sell makeup, I wish it did not come in this packaging. Like, parang ka nagbenta ng tingi. Tapos binenta mo sa mall. Ito, ano to? Sachet ng ano to? So, yun, para siyang sachet. Yun yung unang-una ko hindi gusto. Is it a big deal or not? No, it's not a big deal. Kasi kung may lalagyanan ka naman, you can do away with the packaging. Pangalawa is the price. If you're gonna price something 500 pesos, or 499 to be specific, by the way, I bought this at Landmark, sana binigyan mo na talaga ng lalagyan. And this is just my opinion, okay? Like, if you market it, a lot of people can buy 299 or 399 pesos worth na powder from Maybelline na naka-compact na siya. May sponge, may mirror, travel-friendly, and everything. Like, ready to go na sila. This one, parang i-convince mo pa eh, you have to buy a brush with it. You have to buy lalagyanan for it. So, in total, hindi rin 500 yung bili mo dun sa product. Marami ka pang kailangang add-ons para ma-utilize yung product na. Is it a big deal? Not really. Not really. And we'll get to that because alamin natin what are the good things about this product. Also, dahil nga nakatingi yung packaging niya, nakikita ko on the sides, ang daming nakaipit na powder dito sa gilid-gilid. And tinatry ko siyang i-tap off, pero ayaw niya matanggal. So, let's do away with that. Wag na natin ilaban. I'm going to take a sifter like this. I bought this at Landmark. And it looks like this. Yan, it's very simple. So, you take this out. May butas siya. Obviously, dito ko ilalagay yung product. So, I'm gonna cut the product. Cut the packaging. Lilitan ko lang yung butas kasi ayoko maging messy. Okay. Like this. One thing I noticed na pag tinataktak mo siya inside, daming sumasabog na powder. Yung powder particles sa hangin. So, that's product na nasasayang yet again. Dami talagang nasayang, oh. Sa gilid lang. Okay. Ayun na, kumalat na. Saya. Dagdagan natin yung things I don't like about the product. This is how much product you get. Okay, the sifter is this big. Yan, ganyan kalaki. Tapos, it only contains, like, it only occupied half of the container. The net weight is 8 grams. So, 8 grams yung product. It's not a lot of product. So, I'm going to show you guys how we can apply this foundation and try to discover what's good about it and what's not good about it. I'm going to do that now. I'm going to first erase one half of my face. So guys, I'm back. Tinanggal ko na yung for one half of my face. Ito na siya. Tinanggal ko na. As you can see, I have uneven skin tone. I have redness. I have blemishes. I have pores. This is how I'm going to apply it. I'm first going to spray a layer of this Milani Make It Last setting spray. I know this is a setting spray, pero I like using it as a prep for my face before foundation. By the way, side note, this is a really good setting and prepping spray. Binigyan ko na kayo ng tip, ha. I am going to use this brush by LA Girl. This is the 108 angled buffing brush. The reason I want to use this is you need a brush that is dense. I like it. It's soft. Hindi niya nasa-scratch yung face ko. It's affordable. This is only 400 pesos. I'm going to spray my setting spray again onto my brush. And then, kuha ko ng powder. So, ayan na siya. Ayan na siya pala. On first application, wala akong napansin. Let's do a second layer. Oh, ito na. So, by the way, okay, I'll zoom you in. Ang ganda ng coverage niya dito sa area na to. Like ito, dito mismo. Marami akong pores sa area na yan eh. So, napansin ko kagad. Gumanda. It's a very high coverage, pero it's caking up. Nakikita ko siya namumuo dito sa area na to. Dito sa pores, hindi siya nakaka-emphasize ng pores, which is good. Hindi siya kumakapit sa dry patches ko. It's not like matte na drying. Nawala yung redness ko dito. Like, not completely. I can still see my blemishes. For a loose mineral foundation, it provides really good coverage. So, I'm going to try the other side again, using a different technique naman. Guys, as you can see dito, mas malalaki yung pimples ko. Dami kong redness on my forehead. This side is covered only by the powder foundation and it looks really, really good right now. I only have an issue with this area. Nagki-cake up siya. So it could be because of this one, or the brush, or whatever. So this time, we're going to try a different technique. Pero again, starting with the prepping spray. This is an oval brush. So this is twice as dense as the brush I used earlier. This time, we're not going to use a setting spray with it. I'm just going to use it with the product directly and then buff it into my face. Got this much product. Sa unang apply pa lang, I noticed na hindi kasing full coverage yung application niya dito compared dito. Nag-even out na yung skin tone ko. I can still see imperfections. It's still peeking through. Pero it feels really light on the skin. Oh my gosh. This is good. Like, mako-compare nyo yung technique na ginamit natin kanina. You can see that this has a lot of coverage compared to this other side na medyo, I would say this is medium coverage na lang. Let's try a third technique. Spraying this on, then applying the foundation on top. That's good, hindi siya nag-cake. Pero tingnan nyo, halos pantay na yung coverage niya. A good idea na tayo on the coverage of this. It really does the claims na full coverage. It is, pero depende sa application. I already have a verdict on what's good about this product. It is lightweight on the skin. You barely can feel anything on your skin. Secondly, it has very good coverage. You know, even if you apply this powder na hindi ka gumamit ng setting spray like I did, it already gives you medium coverage. And that's speaking from a person who has imperfections on her face. So, I don't think it did that on its own. But with the help of a setting spray, it did. What else do I like about this product? It mattifies your face. It has a good yellow undertone for Filipina skin, which is, galing nga, mahirap makahanap ng product na tamang-tama lang yung pagka-yellow undertone nyo. It matches really well down to my neck. Overall, I actually like this foundation. Would I use it on its own? I would. May errands lang ako, or pupunta lang ako ng school, or gusto ko lang pantayin yung foundation ko. This would be a good substitute to tinted moisturizers. So, you can moisturize your face and then apply it on the face. and then set it with a setting spray para lang may additional capit siya on the skin. I would also use this on top of my foundation, especially on areas which I believe need the extra coverage, like blemishes and pores under the eyes. I would use this under my eyes. After concealer, I would do that. So those are all my thoughts. I showed you exactly how it works on my face, and so now I'm going to tell you if the product is worth buying or not. It's worth buying, guys. Even if ganito lang yung itsura ng packaging niya and it's already 500 pesos, yes, it's still worth buying. Would I buy this over the Maybelline powders that you get over at Watson's? Then yes, I would rather buy this than that. Kasi I also have that and I don't like using it often. That is also a powder foundation. I apply it also using a brush. But this one has better coverage than that. If you're in the market and looking for a setting powder that you can use on top of foundation for extra coverage, or something that can substitute a tinted moisturizer, even something that you can use to retouch throughout the day, then yes, I do recommend this. But kung gagamitin nyo siya throughout the day, then please mag-blot muna kayo bago nyo siya i-apply, kasi based on this, it is going to cake up maximum level. As in, kitang-kita yung cake. So I hope you guys appreciate all the information I gave you, and I'll see you in my next video. I do have a special product arriving from the US, and I'm going to try that. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, then please don't take that subscribe button for granted or that like button, kasi it means I actually did something right. I did something you actually enjoyed, and you're looking forward to me creating more of these kinds of videos. So please click those buttons. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!